So we're gonna unplug the sink. As you can see, when I put water a little fast, it gets stuck. It goes slowly. See that? It's clogged, yeah. So we're gonna fix that, okay? Okay, stop. I'm gonna try with this one first. This is from dollar store. I'm gonna try this one because you got another one right here. Can you show this one, please? This is a bigger one. I don't know, it could maybe $20, something like that. $15, $18, $18. And this one for dollar store is for, there's some things in here that can hook to the hairs. So we're gonna try that one first. And if it doesn't get unplugged, as you can see, there is few hairs and stuff, you know. Can you see it? Right here.
Yeah, I can.
So we're gonna try this and go back and forth until we clean it. And after this, we're gonna try the other one if it's still plugged, okay? You can stop now. Plug this, put it here in the bathroom. Okay. Oops, see those kind of hooker, they hook to the stuff. Throw it here, and we're gonna go back in here. Don't wanna put this back in there. And then we try again. Oops, see? Kind of stuck, so there is probably something in here. Yep, there it is. See that? See that? So this is the dollar one, helps a little bit still. And put this in the toilet. Pull that in case there's something with it. You see that? Okay. This. Okay, you can put stop, please. Get some more. Did you record?
Yeah.
Yeah, we found some little more here. So we're gonna go back and forth, back and forth. Every see here there is a cross. So we go in any zoom a little bit. Yeah, see, we go on that side, and then we go on that side. Every side we go, every corner I go. I mean, see, till we get everything unplugged, and then we try the water again. Okay, you can put stop now. Okay, so we put some more. Try to put some more, get some more. Okay, so I think it looks okay with the dollar store one. We're gonna see if it's still plugged or not. Let's clean all that trash and wash our hands. Look at this, how much we found. See? A big amount. Okay, so let's go back to the sink and put the water and see how it goes now. Okay, be careful, don't put some water in there. And of course you try to put some super hot water to make it go through, you know. Put super hot water and see if it goes better. Look at that. So now it didn't get stuck, it didn't get stuck, it didn't get stuck, it didn't get stuck. I think it's fixed. The best way is to try to fix it before it gets plugged too much, you know. So when there is a little bit, you unplug it before it becomes too many hairs. And look, I'm gonna stop it now. Look, unstuck. So with a dollar store, you fix it. You don't need a dollar store unplugger. You use this one when it's deeper, when it's thicker, or in here. So, come here. In here. Oops. In here, you know. But for this one, you have to unscrew here. Here. And then you put it from here or from here. Okay. When I get this plugged, I'll show you another video. Thank you. Perfect.